Yo, what's up, legends? Today we're throwing a gorgeous render, straight from the ArtStation profile of the insanely talented Pavel. Big shout out to you, man. Into the wild magic of Hunyuan 3D 2.5. Now, I've tested this beast before, and trust me, it's no joke. It's fast, free, and surprisingly good, especially with stylized assets and clean renders like this one. So we hit that glorious Generate New button. Depending on the image, it usually takes between 2 to 7 minutes to do its thing. Here's the result. Clean lighting, crispy textures, solid geometry. No weird AI mush. This thing's sharp. It actually feels like pro-level output, minus the 12 hours of Blender pain. The best part. Hunyuan 3D 2.5 is 100% free for now. Anyway, works directly in your browser and doesn't ask you to download anything shady. Links down in the description if you want to play with it. If this gave your brain even one spark of value, smash like, slap that subscribe, and drop a comment if you want me to throw weirder stuff at this AI. Catch you in the next one. Peace.